Hey everybody, this is Jay English with Plain English, and I'm here to try to clear up some confusion on a couple of terms that I feel like have people a little mixed up. Term number one will be socialism. Term number two is going to be social justice. These are two very different things. So socialism over here is going to be looking for equal outcomes. No matter what we do, no matter how much work we put in, no matter who all is present and how many hours each individual person does, everybody's going to get the exact same outcome. I feel that socialism completely takes away the incentive of doing work, especially hard work or of having a extremely great work ethic. So I'm not a proponent of socialism. I am out here fighting for social justice. Social justice is not about equal outcomes. Social justice is about equal access. That means that I have access to high quality education. That means that I have access to higher paying wages and higher paying jobs. I have access to opportunities to help me build wealth. I have access to higher quality food. I don't live in a food desert. These are the things that social justice is fighting for. Equal representation under the law, equal access to voting. Those are all the things that we're fighting for over here. I'm not looking for equal outcomes because based on the amount of work you do, you should receive more. However, the problem is when you're on this side and you don't have access and you're looking at people that are unable to become successful to a certain extent because they simply don't even have that presented to them. That's a very different thing. So what we're fighting for over here is for people to have equal access to the things they need to build wealth and to provide a higher quality of life for both themselves and for their families. Now, on this side, that may mean they may have to work harder. They may have to make harder decisions. They may have to travel further. There may be some things they have to do that based on where they live or based on how their life has gone up to this point may cause them to have to work a bit harder or make some different choices than maybe someone who lives over here. But they at least still have the access to do so. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that helps out in explaining the difference. We're not out here fighting for socialism. You can't just give everybody everything and expect life to get better. That's not how this works. However, if people don't have access to the things they need, what are you expecting them to do? All right, so if you have any questions, please feel free to send those in. You can always hit us up at plainenglishinc.org. I look forward to catching up with you all again for another episode of Urban Insights, and we'll talk to you soon.